Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in warframe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Warframe game website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button that you see at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, in order to change your email address that you use, hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account Management. This will now take you into your account page. Scroll down and then alongside your email, tap on the edit button. You will now be asked to enter your desired new email address. Just type in your preferred new email address and then type it in once again for confirmation. Finally, click on the change email button. And now you will need to type in the verification code that has been sent to your email. If you check within the inbox of your old account, you will find a verification code. Just copy this code and then paste it within the verification box and now enter your desired new email address. After typing in your desired new email address, type it in once again for confirmation and then click on change email. Once you click on this button, you will be asked to click on the confirmation link that has been sent to your new email address. So log into your new email address once again and you will find another email from Warframe. Just click on the link within and now your email address has successfully been changed on your Warframe game. You can now click on the login button and you can proceed forward with your new email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address within your Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.